Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Wisdom channel. In this video, we're going to talk about 6 steps on how to make money out of debt. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Debt is often seen as a 4-letter word. It's something to be avoided at all costs, and when people find themselves in debt, they often feel like they are drowning. However, most people don't realize that debt can be a powerful tool if used correctly. With careful planning and discipline, you can use debt to your advantage and even make money from it. The good news is anyone can make money out of their debt. Here are some of the steps that you can use as a guide. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. First, borrow like a rich person. One of the most brilliant things you can do with your money is to borrow like a rich person. That means using debt wisely to get ahead financially. After all, the wealthy have been doing it for centuries. They understand that debt can be a powerful tool if used correctly. By borrowing money and investing it in assets that appreciate, they've grown their wealth exponentially. It's a strategy anyone can use regardless of their income level. So if you're looking to get ahead financially, don't be afraid to borrow like a rich person. It just might be the smartest thing you ever do with your money. Second, cash flow management. Managing your cash flow is one of the essential things to minimize your debt and earn money. By understanding your monthly cash flow, you can make informed decisions about allocating your money. This will help you pay off your debts and save money each month. There are a few simple strategies to improve your cash flow management. First, track your spending carefully to know where your money is going each month. Second, create a budget and stick to it. This will help you ensure that you are only spending money on essentials. Finally, create a savings plan so you can build up an emergency fund and reach your financial goals. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your finances and improve your financial situation. Third, debt recycling. One of the most imaginative things you can do with your debt is recycle it. I mean, using the money you save from debt repayments to invest in new growth opportunities. This strategy can help turbocharge your wealth creation and closer to financial freedom. Here's how it works. You have a $250,000 mortgage and you're paying 5% interest. Over the life of a 30-year loan, you'll pay a total of $437,500 in interest. However, if you were to refinance to a 15-year loan and 3%, your total interest payments would only be $93,750,000. That's a saving of almost $350,000. Now let's say you use those savings to reinvest in growth assets such as shares or property. If those assets grow by 7% per year, they would be worth $1,033,000 in 15 years. That's more than double what you would have had if you had just paid off your mortgage. And it means that you would have achieved financial independence much sooner. Fourth, get the right loan. To get the right loan, you should first know the difference between a good and a bad loan. A good loan has favorable terms that will help you meet your financial goals. On the other hand, a bad loan is one with words that are unfavorable or difficult to complete. When considering a loan, be sure to compare offers from multiple lenders to find the best deal. For example, a good loan might have a low interest rate and flexible repayment terms. A lousy loan might have high interest rate and inflexible repayment terms. Once you understand the difference between the two, you will know the right loan to get. Getting the right loan can be tricky. You don't want to borrow over and find yourself in more debt than you can handle. Still, at the same time, you don't want to underborrow and miss out on opportunities to grow your business. The key is to find a balance and make sure that the terms of your loan are favorable. Fifth, leverage your loans. Loans can provide a much-needed financial boost when starting a business or growing an existing one. But if you're not careful, they can also put you in a debt trap. That's why it's essential to understand how loans work and how to use them to your advantage. One way to leverage a loan is to use it to purchase inventory for your business. This can help you get the products you need to grow your business without putting up your own money. Another way to leverage a loan is to use it to finance a marketing campaign. This can help you reach new customers and grow your business. If you have a loan, you may be able to leverage it to generate additional income. By leveraging your loans, you can create other sources of income and build your wealth over time. However, it is essential to carefully consider the risks involved before taking on any new debt. When done wisely, leveraging your loans can be an effective way to grow your financial portfolio. Lastly, debt consolidation. If you're struggling to keep up with multiple debts, you may be considering debt consolidation. This involves taking out a new loan to pay off your existing debts. Done this can be an excellent way to reduce your monthly payments and simplify your finances. Still, it's essential to understand the pros and cons before deciding. One of the main advantages of debt consolidation is saving you money on interest payments. If you qualify for a lower interest rate than you're currently paying, you'll pay less interest overall. This can help you to become debt-free more quickly. Another advantage is that consolidating your debts into one payment may be more manageable than making several separate payments. This can help you stay on track with your repayment plan and avoid missing any fees. However, there are also some downsides to consider. One potential disadvantage is that debt consolidation can extend the length of time it takes to repay your debt. This means you'll be paying interest for more extended and paying more overall. Another thing to consider is that missed or late payments can damage your credit score, even if they're consolidated into one loan. Before making a decision, it's essential to consider all the pros and cons of debt consolidation and speak. There are a lot of different ways to make money out of debt. You can do it by taking these 6 steps as your guide. Each method has its benefits and drawbacks, so you need to know what you're doing before deciding on a course of action. Taking on extra debt can help you pay off your existing debt more quickly, but it can also put you at risk of defaulting your own loans if you're not careful. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.